Imagine opening the window of your living room. Not to look at an ordinary street, but to stare down a terrifying rocky cliff 1,000 feet deep. Welcome back to World Blueprint. Today, we are traveling to the ancient mountaintop city of Ronda in Spain. Built entirely on top of two massive limestone cliffs, this spectacular city is split right down the middle by the canyon, connected only by a stunning 300-foot stone bridge called Puente Nuevo. For over 2,000 years, this deadly cliff acted as the ultimate defensive fortress against invading armies. Today, walking through its historic, narrow streets feels like walking on the edge of the world. Everything here is built safely along the cliffside, with historic white houses leaning directly over the deep rocky void. Ronda proves that human engineering can thrive on the most dangerous edges of nature. Would you ever dare to live in a house that sits right on the edge of a 1,000-foot cliff? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Blueprint, and map out the globe with us. See you next time.